YouTube versus Instagram, which one actually makes you money faster? Every week I talk to women who are exhausted, posting every day, filming reels, doing trend audios, showing up constantly and still not making real money. And almost every single time the problem is not their content, it's that they're building on the wrong platform for what they're actually trying to sell. But today I'm breaking down YouTube versus Instagram. Not which one is more popular, not which one gets more views, but which one actually converts into income faster depending on where you are in your business, because they are not the same game. And playing the wrong one is costing you time, energy, and money. I am Jasmine. I help women who are under 100K turn their skills into real offers and build income that does not depend on going viral. And if that's you, stay with me through this whole video, because what I'm going to break down is going to change how you think about your content strategy completely. What each platform actually is. Before we talk about money, we need to talk about what these platforms actually do, because most people misunderstand both of them. So Instagram is a discovery platform. It is built for reach, for visibility, for getting in front of new people extremely fast. The algorithm is designed to push your content to people who don't follow you yet. That sounds amazing, and it can be, but here is the catch. Instagram attention is fast. It moves extremely quickly. Someone watches your reel, double taps, and keeps scrolling. The window to convert that person into a buyer is very tiny. YouTube is a search platform. It is built for trust. When someone goes to YouTube and searches for a specific question and finds your video, they are already looking for what you have. They are a warm lead before they even press play. And because YouTube video live forever and keep getting found, the content you make today can bring you clients 6 months from now. So right away, you can see these two are completely different tools. One builds reach fast, one builds trust deep. And depending on what you are selling and where you are in your business, you need a different one. All right. Now, when Instagram makes sense. Instagram makes sense when you need visibility quickly and your offer is simple and low ticket. If you're selling a digital product that's probably under $200, a template, a guide, a course that people can buy without a lot of conversion, then Instagram can move that fast, because impulse buying happens on Instagram. Someone sees your reel, they relate to it, they click the link, buy. That cycle can happen in under 5 minutes. Instagram also works well when you're building brand awareness in a new niche, right? If people don't know you exist, and you need to get your name out fast, the Reels algorithm can do that work for you faster than almost anything else right now. But here's where women go wrong with Instagram. They treat it like a sales machine for high ticket offers. They're trying to sell $2,000 coaching packages through a 30-second reel to people who just found them like literally 2 seconds ago. That almost never works, because high ticket requires trust, and trust takes time that Instagram formats doesn't naturally give you. Now, when YouTube makes sense, you're selling something that requires a decision, coaching services, high ticket offers, anything where the person needs to know you, trust you, and feel confident before they spend real money. So here's what happens on YouTube that doesn't happen anywhere else. Someone finds your video, they watch it for 8 minutes, you teach them something valuable, and by the end, they feel like they know you. They click on another video, they watch that one. Now they spent 20 to 40 minutes with you and haven't even had a conversation yet. That person is not a cold lead anymore. They're warm, they're ready. I've had women book calls with me after watching 2 YouTube videos. Not back and forth in the DMs, no weeks of nurturing. They watched, they trusted, they reached out. And that does not happen on Instagram at the same rate, because the format doesn't allow for the depth of connection. The other thing YouTube has going for it is longevity. A reel might have a 48 to 72 hour window of traction. A YouTube video can rank on Google and keep bringing you views for years. Now here's the real answer, and it depends on your offer. Which one should you choose? And here's my honest answer. If you're under 100K and you are still trying to get your first few clients and your offer is in the 500 to 2K range or higher, you should start on YouTube. You should build the trust first, get people to spend real time with you, convert from a place of relationship, not a place of scrolling. And if you already have an offer that's proven, you know it sells, and you want to pour fuel on it and reach more people fast, then add it to Instagram. Use it to drive people to YouTube. Use Reels as a trailer for the deeper content you have waiting for them. The mistake is treating both platforms the same way. Posting the same content everywhere and hoping something sticks, that's not strategy, that is just noise. So pick one platform that matches your offer, build there first, and then expand later. So here are some key takeaways from this video. Instagram builds reach, YouTube builds trust. High ticket offers need trust. If you're trying to sign clients and make real money, not just give views, YouTube is where you need to start putting your energy into right now. Now, if you want help figuring out what your actual offer should be and how to position it so that the right people find you and buy, I have a free workbook in the description that walks you through the whole process. And if you want to keep learning, watch the next video. It goes deeper into building an offer that actually converts. Let's go to work.